Hello, good morning. I thank our college management who has given an opportunity to do courses in the course era free of cost. First of all, as you know that the 3D printing is a new technology in the field of mechanical engineering. The to know or to learn the 3D printing, first we have to know the revolution with respect to the any new technology. For that reason, I went to a course of the 3D printing revolution. In the first module, as we know that it's only the introduction and as well as how it has been evolved and what are the basics things with respect to the uh, 3D printing revolution. And also, first I will introduce myself. I am Dr. Anil Kumar, working as a professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sri Sairam College of Engineering, Anikal, Bengaluru. Uh, I completed my PhD and presently I am working as a professor, and under my guidance, four PhD scholars are doing research. That too, especially most of them are doing in the field of composites. Two of them are doing with respect to the MMCs, and another two of them are doing with respect to the TMCs. My basic intention to go with respect to the 3D printing is it possible to do the composite 3D printing technology? It means that the composite parts also to be printed very easily by using the 3D printing technology, especially as I am doing the research with respect to the nanotechnology. In the nanotechnology also, polymer nanotechnology. As you know that polymer nanotechnology are the what we can say the ceramic materials, like either it may be the carbon nanotubes or it may be the graphenes, or it may be the what we can say the clay nanoclay. These things it can be mixed along with the polymers, and then afterwards we can get the composites. These composites, is it possible to extrude and as well as to do a 3D printing components? With respect to this, I want to do some innovation and also some research with the 3D printing technology. For that reason only I have selected this 3D printing course as a basic course in the course era. Thank you, one and all.